said, well, Hoss, you better get you some parts, cause you're gonna have to plug up a few holes. Guess you thought I was talking just to pass away time, but it kinda looks different now on his.
So here it is, our new 2024 RMax4 1000. It's brand new. This is the first ride out, playing around with different suspension settings and Yamaha Adventure Pro mapping. It's going to take a little getting used to. Still running Polaris Ride Command on my cell phone. But it's been fun so far. Ride's really smooth. Got plenty of power. The extra ability to carry some more passengers and extra gear. We're upgrading from a CF Moto 800EX. It's been a great machine. Ride's really good, no problems. Just looking for the extra room. So these are the trails in IRA, Vermont. And the local club in Vasa have done a great job on keeping them in good shape. With all the rain we've had, they're not too muddy or washed out. We're gonna hit the Danby Paulet trails next. See how they've held up. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.